Hello guys, welcome to another video. Um, we are working on Nissan Altima SR and this is 2020. Today we're going to be doing oil change in this vehicle. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that and you can do it yourself. Okay, first thing to do, just unscrew your oil lid. You don't have to remove it like that, just let it sit on the top. Just leave it like that and then pull out your dipstick. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and lift the vehicle so we can get to the oil pan and oil filter and go from there. Alright, as you can see, lifted the vehicle and this is your passenger side right here. So I'm coming down over here, straight down, and this is your oil pan. Okay, the drain plug is right there and use 14 millimeter to unscrew that, and then your oil filter is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain that oil, screw this, change the filter. I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, as you guys can see, waiting for all the oil to drain out. This is actually your drain plug. What you're gonna do is just clean it up, lift it off real good. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and screw this. That's your oil filter. Alright, let me get some. Alright. Actually, already drained a little bit of that filter right here. I'm gonna remove it. Put it in this trash bag. There we go. The rest just came out. Let's go in the trash. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the new filter on, tighten that drain plug. I can go up there and start adding oil. Okay, let me show my drain plug is tight. Don't make this too tight. I'm gonna strip it. It's gonna be hard for the next person to screw it. So there you go, perfect. Alright, we're all on the top. Just pull this up, this cover right here. Yeah, it's easy to pull up. It's just hold by these, snaps on these nipples right here. There's 4 of them. Okay, put that on the side. Take this off. Okay, I don't have a funnel, but I actually made one. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. It takes about 5.4, but after adding 5, I'm gonna check the dipstick, and we'll go from there. Make sure it's we've got the right amount on in the engine. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. Actually, this engine just took 5 quarts exactly. So after adding 5 quarts, checked the level, and it was perfect. So we're done. All right, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. All right, guys. Bye.